We live in an era where thinking and decision making are being aided by machines, from smartphones, smart appliances, smart watches, and so on. Our focus today is about one object that we see almost every day, which is a traffic signal. So, my question here is, can a traffic signal think? We all are aware of the consequences that we pay for traffic congestion. We believe that we can use technology to solve this problem in a sustainable way. Based on real-time traffic data driven by artificial intelligence, we bring you our solution. Sample: smart traffic lights.
After winning the Thales Tech Challenge country stage, we started working remotely on developing building blocks for a solution with research on current technology. Further, we started working on algorithms, computer-aided designs, and hardware systems for our final prototype. Our prototype has 3 sub-functions. First, traffic detection. For traffic detection, we are using a camera module to capture live images of the traffic. Second, data analysis. The data from the camera module is then passed to our model to get results. Our machine learning model is trained on custom data sets to give accurate results. The insights from the model are then distributed to the traffic signals for control of traffic lights, which is the third sub-function.
Considering this product architecture, we have developed our working prototype. To build the model, we have used simple materials such as cardboard boxes, trash bags, used papers, and adhesive tapes, making it extremely resourceful and economical. Other important components used for functioning of the prototype are the camera module, which captures images of the vehicles at the traffic signal intersection, the breadboard, connectors and LEDs to set up the traffic signal circuit, and a Raspberry Pi microcontroller board which audits the vehicle count and operates the traffic signals accordingly. This is how the prototype works. Using image processing technique, the camera detects vehicles on each side of the road and simultaneously the vehicle count is displayed on the screen. Accordingly, the system decides the sequence of the signal operation. It is seen that the number of vehicles on road 4 are more as compared to the other roads, hence the signal corresponding to road 4 turns green. Subsequently, the algorithm decides the time period for which each signal would remain green. So more time is provided for the cars on road 4 to pass and lesser time to the cars on the other roads based on their corresponding traffic densities. Further, this cycle repeats, giving priority to the road with maximum traffic.
This model demonstrates that it can be scaled up to real traffic management systems. In our model, each traffic light is taking data only from its own camera. However, in real-life applications, we can come up with a system where data is captured from multiple sensors like IR, radio and pressure sensors. All the data from within the city or the block can be then integrated and analyzed at a central service, and the traffic lights will function based on this integrated data. In this way, all the traffic lights will be connected to each other and will form a highly efficient system for traffic management. So, why should Thales bring this to reality? Firstly, it leads to a big global impact with up to 40% reduction in delays. Secondly, in the future world of autonomous vehicles, it might be possible to control traffic signals through data obtained from these vehicles. This product will be a great first step for Thales in this domain. Finally, simply because optimizing traffic flow leads to many benefits like less pollution, less fuel utilization, and in turn, this product will also help as an initiative to fight against climate change.